Welcome everyone to Michael's Drones and RC Hobby. Today it's windy out, as you can see the flag. But today I'm taking out the legendary Legend for a short run ramp jumping. Stay tuned. Welcome back everyone. I'm bringing out the legendary Legend for some short ramp jumping. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just out having fun. You know what, you guys? I did one video with this legendary Legend on an unboxing and short run. And besides that, I haven't had it out. This is my second time bringing it out since I've had this thing. I've had it over a year. It's a cool little truck. Look at that. She's a boot scooting boogie, boys. Look at that jump. That was a perfect jump. Kicking up some dust right there, boys. This thing has got some little power in it. It ain't nothing like my Traxxas, don't get me wrong. This thing can sure get it. Oh yeah, you see that, you guys? This thing is awesome. It's a great little RC. I mean, it ain't one of the best, but it does its job, you know. It's just fun to get out here to have fun with it. Oh yeah. Kicking up some dust, boys. I love this. I love the hobby, RC hobby. Do one more jump and call it a day. I've been out here for a while playing around. Oh yeah, that was a heck of a jump. Yeah, I like it, you guys. Pretty awesome. She ain't bad. She ain't bad at all. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Thank you very much. You guys take care, and I'll see everyone later. You guys have a wonderful evening. The legendary Legend.